Samsung is once again proving why it's ahead of the competition when it comes to software updates. The company has been rolling out its latest One UI 8 update based on Android 16 at an unbelievable speed. It's not even October yet, and Samsung has already updated nearly 24 Galaxy devices. This includes some of the most popular phones from the past couple of years, premium tablets, and even mid-range models. The newest members to join the One UI 8 family are the Galaxy S23 series, the Galaxy S23 FE, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and the Galaxy A55. This comes after Samsung already treated the Galaxy S24 lineup to the update earlier this month. The pace is so fast that it's hard to keep up, but it's definitely a good problem for Samsung users to have. Let's start with the Galaxy S23 series. These phones may be from early 2023, but they're still some of the best devices you can buy today. The Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra, and the S23 FE have now received their third major software upgrade, which is Android 16 with One UI 8 on top. The rollout started in South Korea, which is usually Samsung's testing ground. Based on the pattern we've seen before, it's only a matter of days before the update spreads to Europe and then the rest of the world. For example, the Galaxy S24 lineup first got the update in Korea, and just a few days later it was made available in Europe. So if you own a Galaxy S23, you can expect to see the One UI 8 update arrive on your device sooner rather than later. But Samsung isn't just focusing on flagships. The company is also delivering the update to mid-range devices. In South Korea, the Galaxy Quantum 5 just received Android 16 with One UI 8. While this model is exclusive to Korea, it's basically the same phone as the Galaxy A55 that's sold worldwide. This strongly suggests that the A55 will also get the new update globally in the near future. And that's not all. Other mid-range phones like the Galaxy A36 and A56 have already started receiving the update in multiple European countries after first launching in Korea last week. This shows how quickly Samsung is expanding the rollout across regions and models. On the tablet side, the Galaxy Tab S10 has also joined the list of updated devices. The rollout has kicked off in South Korea, and there are also reports about the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra receiving One UI 8, though those reports are a bit mixed at the moment. Either way, it's clear that Samsung isn't leaving its tablets behind. So what's next? If Samsung continues at this pace, we can expect many more devices to be updated before the year ends. The Galaxy S23 family, the Tab S10 series, and the Galaxy A55 should all have worldwide One UI 8 updates by the end of this week. After that, Samsung is likely to move on to older but still popular models like the Galaxy A35, A26, A17, and even the Galaxy S22 series. That means the S22, S22 Plus, and S20 to Ultra will also be enjoying Android 16 very soon. Even entry-level devices like the Galaxy A15 5G are expected to get One UI 8 within the next couple of weeks. And let's not forget the foldables. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 are likely to receive the update within days, following the footsteps of the newer Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 soon after. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 should also be upgraded if you go even further back. Samsung is expected to push Android 16 to the Galaxy Tab S8 series and even budget-friendly models like the Galaxy A06 and A07. The bottom line is simple. If you bought a Samsung Galaxy device in the last 3 years, there's a very high chance you'll be running Android 16 with One UI 8 before Christmas. This is a massive achievement. No other smartphone brand comes close to matching Samsung's speed and commitment when it comes to software updates. In fact, Samsung has already beaten two ambitious update schedules it had previously set for itself in different countries. That shows how serious the company is about keeping its customers satisfied and its devices secure and up to date. So, whether you're using a flagship, a foldable, a tablet, or even a budget Galaxy phone, the odds are in your favor. You won't be stuck on older software for long. Samsung's blazing fast rollout of One UI 8 proves that it's not just about selling new devices, but also about supporting the ones you already own. If you've got a Galaxy phone or tablet, keep an eye out for the update notification. It might be coming to you much sooner than you think.